So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 26th of August till the 1st of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Four of Wands. Okay, someone is thinking about having a long-term partnership with you, having a commitment kind of energy with you, or a stable connection if this connection is not stable. Or let me clarify this. Let me clarify this Four of Wands before I should say anything more. Let's clarify the Four of Wands here. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Okay, my goodness. Someone felt like this is the happily ever after. They found happily ever after in you, but they are detaching from the situation because this is too much drama, too much pressure, too much stress. Okay, now I'm getting the stories here. So you and this person felt like you found each other and this is it, and you guys are each other's happily ever after, but one of you is leaving the situation because of too much chaos, too much drama, and lots of people involved in the situation, lots of things happening in the situation that's not making the situation better, it's making it worse. So that is why one of you is leaving the situation and there's nothing left in the situation. Instead of walking away and moving on from the situation, instead of trying to fix it, you guys are feeling like, okay, even if you guys felt at some point of time that you guys found each other and you guys are each other's happily ever after, this is not working out anymore. Yeah, someone is still manifesting this energy of having a happily ever after kind of deal with you, even if it is not working out. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or energy from your side, Cancer? We have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. There's lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation. Even if you're trying your best to make something work out, even if there's a lot of love from your side, you care for this person, you love this person, you want to take care of them, there's lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation. At least you're feeling like that. You feel like bringing the balance back in the situation in some way, shape, or form. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles in reverse. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Fool card. It's like it's like you're trying to give all of the love of the universe to yourself and taking the leap of faith with the universe that whatever is happening is actually happening for your highest good. If something is not working out, it's actually really happening for your highest good, and you're taking it as a positive sign from the universe, and you are moving on like a pro, because you feel like you have done it before as well and you can do it right now as well. All you have to do is to uh, transmute this pain into self-love and keep going ahead. Okay, finding your own inner balance. This is what you feel like. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Three of Wands. Their intention is to wait and watch. It's like this person is 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation. So their intention is to wait and watch. Give it time and space. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. We have the Magician, the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Cups. Yeah, this person wants to manifest this energy of turning the wheel in their favor. Okay, this person thinks that like when time is going to pass by, and if you guys are meant to be, you guys are going to meet again. This person wants to come towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, but not right now. They're manifesting this energy of universe, please provide me the time and the space and the energy to reconnect with Cancer at some point of time and maybe start from scratch. Yeah, this they're definitely manifesting this energy of reconnecting with you, but not right now. Not right now. They just want to wait and watch for the right time to reconnect with you, and offer you some kind of message, communication, apology, or maybe a brand new beginning. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or energy from your side, Cancer? What are your intentions? Lovers, you want to make a decision here. You have a choice, might be between two people, two situations, or a choice whether to be in this situation or not. I do see love from your side, Cancer, but you're not sure about this connection anymore. You're like, I don't know if this person and me are meant for each other, or is this over, or should I just let this go, or should I wait? I don't know. Okay, let's clarify the lovers here. You just want to make a decision, make a choice. Yeah, you just want to make a choice where everyone involved in the situation is going to get the good results, is going to be happy at the end of the day. It's like you're not considering the situation as okay, being very selfish about it, like okay, thinking about yourself only. You got the clarity, you want the clear cut answer, you want a clear cut answer, you want a clear cut energy, and you want to move forward without any kind of past baggages. So you want to take a decision that's going to be good for everyone involved in the situation, for the best interest of them and you and every other person, like families also. So you want to make a choice, make a decision that's going to make everyone happy at the end of the day. That's impossible, but that's what you want, that's what you're trying to do here. Okay, you want to think about it long and hard enough, and you want to understand what is the right decision, what is the right choice to make in this situation, and what you should do in order to bring the peace and happiness in this situation, so that everyone is going to be happy again at the end of the day. Yeah, let's see what's coming towards you. What could be the possible outcome of the situation by the 1st of September? We have the Knight of Wands. Okay, someone taking some kind of impulsive decision here, impulsive action here, or someone trying to do something here that could be very mature, very impulsive. Let me clarify the Knight of Wands as a potential outcome. We have the Five of Swords and Page of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, someone will try to come back around and connect with you or reconnect with you, but I do see somebody still coming towards you with a manipulative kind of energies. Somebody will try to manipulate you in some way, shape, or form to get you back in their life, but at the same time, it's going to be a disaster again. Cancer, it's like somebody coming towards you with lying and manipulations and this kind of energy of, yeah, I'm going to sort it out, I'm going to do everything possible from my side. But this is a page energy. Their words and their actions are not going to match. It's like somebody out of the blue, somebody is going to take this impulsive decision of let's talk to Cancer, and it's going to turn into a disaster when they're going to talk to you. Because again, this person is coming towards you with the Page of Swords energy, which is like trying to get something by hook or by crook, and not with a loving and compassionate kind of energies, and it's going to be turning into a disaster. I do see one of you leaving the situation for good this time and not entertaining the other energy, because they know it's going to end up in disaster again and again and again, and it's going to be like somebody's going to prove you right about the situation, that it's not going to work out, because again somebody's immature and impulsive behavior, and this energy of cheating and lying or manipulating you again and again and again is not going to work out anymore in the situation. So it's like somebody saying goodbye to the situation for good this time and not looking back. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Cancer. We have the Three of Cups, the King of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. Until unless you are going to cut this person, cut this situation out of your life completely, until unless you are going to hold on to this resentment, this anger, this energy of this person ruined my life, this connection ruined my life, this relationship sucks, or the situation sucks, you will never be able to find the right kind of energy that's actually good for you, that's actually meant for you, or right kind of energies. Okay, you might be stuck on one particular energy, one particular person who hurt you very badly, who took you for granted, or who did something wrong with you, and now you're taking every other person, every other energy as like everyone is going to be the same, everyone is going to suck my blood, everyone is going to take advantage of me in some way, shape, or form, and everyone is going to be hurting me. So it's not right, it's not like that. Not everybody out there is to get you cancer. Okay, some people are good like you, some souls are good like you, some situations are good like you. It's all about you understanding that not everything and everyone is meant to hurt you on this planet earth. Some people, some situations, some things are lessons, and some people some situations are blessings as well. You need to understand the difference here. Don't compare everybody and everything to everybody and everything else. It's like it's incomparable. Okay, it's incomparable. Even two same sign people, like even I have seen two cancer people exactly polar opposites of each other, so you can't compare. Okay, so that is the moral of the story. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.